Essential skills for big data engineers, unlocking business potential through expertise. In today's data-driven world, the role of a big data engineer is more critical than ever. Imagine having the power to turn raw data into actionable insights that can propel your business ahead of the competition. This power lies in the hands of skilled big data engineers, professionals equipped with a unique set of skills that are vital for any business looking to thrive in the digital era. Big data engineers are the architects of the modern data landscape. They design, build, and maintain the infrastructure that allows businesses to capture, store, and analyze massive amounts of data. But what exactly makes a big data engineer invaluable? It goes beyond just technical knowledge, it's about combining technical prowess with strategic insight to drive business growth. At the core, big data engineers must have a deep understanding of programming languages such as Python, Java, or Scala. These languages are essential for creating data pipelines and processing large datasets efficiently. Knowledge of SQL is also crucial for querying databases and manipulating data. However, technical skills alone are not enough. An effective big data engineer must also be proficient in working with big data tools and technologies like Apache Hadoop, Spark, and Kafka, which are the backbone of any big data solution. Beyond technical skills, a successful big data engineer possesses a solid grasp of data architecture and modeling. They need to know how to design scalable and robust data systems that can handle the increasing volume and velocity of data in today's business environment. This includes understanding the intricacies of cloud platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, which offer flexible and scalable data storage and processing solutions. Moreover, big data engineers must have a keen analytical mindset. They should be capable of understanding complex business problems and translating them into data-driven solutions. This requires not just technical acumen but also strong problem-solving skills and the ability to work collaboratively with data scientists, analysts, and business stakeholders. As businesses increasingly rely on data to drive their decisions, the demand for skilled big data engineers continues to rise. Are you prepared to invest in the right talent to harness the full potential of your data? The future of your business could depend on it. Have you identified the skills your team needs to stay competitive in a data-centric world? Share your insights, and let's explore how to build a stronger, more data-driven future together.